In this video, we are going to see the integration by substitution method. So when you have to apply the substitution method, when the integration is not solved by direct method, we have to go with the substitution method. Now we will take here the first problem. If it is 3 minus 4x, if you have this one 3 minus 4x, we can directly integrate this one. If it is power 2, we can expand a minus b whole square and then we can integrate. But here it is power 7. So we cannot expand as per the power 7. So I will go with the u substitution method. So what is the u? U is equal the term without power, the highest power term without power. So I have 3 minus 4x. It is my u. What is du? Which is equal minus 4 into dx. So we are differentiating here. The differentiation of 3 is 0, here minus 4 and dx. Now here I need only the dx, not minus 4. So I will just bring it down. So what happened here? Du over minus 4 equal dx. Now the whole integral is converted into, the whole integral is changed in terms of yes, the whole integral is converted into 3 minus 4x as a u to the power 7, and the dx is written as minus 4. It is a constant. I write it outside the integral, which is du is inside. So now everything, the integral is converted in terms of u. Now you can easily integrate. Now if you see this integral, this is very complicated integral. By using the method of substitution method, we make the integral very simple. Now it is direct. What is direct here? Minus 1 over 4, and here the integration of x u power 7 is u power 8 over 8 plus c, since it is an indefinite integral. Now the final answer will be just multiply minus 1 over 32, and this answer is given in terms of u. I need the answer in terms of x because the question is in terms of x. Therefore, I replace u is equal 3 minus 4x. 3 minus 4x. So this is my final answer. Now let us solve the another problem like the similar way. Here we can take the u is the whole denominator. So I will take the denominator as a u. So u is equal 3 plus 4x. Now what is du? 3 becomes 0, you will have 4x. So I need here only dx. I don't want 4. So just bring down du over 4 is equal dx. Now the whole integral is converted in terms of integral 1 over, this is u we have taken, and dx I write it 1 over 4 outside the integral and du will be inside. So now the integration is very easy. So integration of 1 over u is nothing but len u plus c. Now I have to replace at the last the u value. So what is the u value? The u value is given by 3 plus 4x. In the next problem, we have to take the highest power term. So if you see this one, the du will be in the inside the integral. So I will take this one as a u without power. You have to take this one without the power. So I will take the denominator. U is equal 5x power 3 plus 2. Now differentiate, you will get du equal 15x square. This becomes 0, 2 and dx. Now here I need only x square dx. I don't want this 15. Just bring it down. Since it is a constant, I can bring down. So therefore you will find it du over 15 is equal x square dx. And one more thing, you can find it, if you take the correct u value, the du will be inside the integral. Now the integral is converted in terms of integral 1 over u to the power 3, and this part is nothing but 1 over 15 outside, this is du. Now integrate. So integration is 1 over 15. So how will you integrate? You have to bring it up. So integral of u to the power minus t du. Now it is 1 over 15. So you will have the integration u power minus 2. You have to add plus 1. You will get minus 2 over minus 2 plus c. But the answer is not in terms of u. I have to change in terms of x. If you multiply, you will get minus 30. I will bring it down, therefore it become u square plus u square, and I substitute the u value. What is the u value? U is nothing but 5x power 3 plus 2. 5x power 3 plus 2. So this is the final answer. So now here, by seeing the problem itself, thereafter you can guess what is the u you have to take. So here the u is inside the root under the over denominator. So I will take the u equal this one so that the derivative will be inside the integral. So therefore I will check here, u is equal 3x square plus 5x plus 6. Then du is equals 6x plus 5 into dx. So everything I need here. So this is the whole thing is my du. You need not to bring it any constant term that side. So therefore the integral is converted in terms of u as 1 over square root of u, and this one is du. And how will you integrate thereafter? The complicated integral is converted into simple one in terms of u. So now if you bring the root up, so you will have u to the power half du. Now integration of u power half, you have to add plus 1, you will get 1 over 2 over 1 over 2 plus c. And then we will have, if you take reciprocal, this is root plus c. But what about the u value? This is the u value. I write it, u value is, okay, so I write it one more step here. This is root u plus c. At the last, next step, I will replace the u plus c. So u value is nothing but this one. So 3x square plus 5x plus 6. So this is the u value I replace at the last, because the question is given in terms of u. You have to give the answer in terms of x. So the u is just as a substitution method. Now the next one, the next problem, integral cosine square 3t sine 3t. So always you have to take the highest power as a u. So I will choose the u value is equal what? So here u value is equal cosine 3t without power. We have to take the u without power, without jother. So therefore du is equal minus sine 3t into 3 dt. So here we are differentiating, therefore cosine differentiation is minus sine 3t into, when you differentiate the angle, so you will find it the 3 and dt. So what I need here? What I need here? I need only sine 3t d theta dt. I don't want minus 3. Just I will bring this one here. So what happened? Du over minus 3, it can be written as sine 3t into dt. Now the integral is written as in terms of u cosine square, which is nothing but u square, and sine 3t dt, which is nothing but du. I will take the minus 1 over 3 outside the integral. Now this is minus 1 over 3. If you integrate this one, you will have u to the power 3 over 3 plus c. Now when you multiply, you will have minus 1 over 9 u to the power 3 plus c. Now after I substitute the value of u, replace u value as cosine 3t. So that's it. So I have replaced the u value as cosine 3t. Now coming to the next problem. This is the same thing, but here it is inside the root. So here we have a power, but here we have a root. So always you have to take the u value inside the power, inside the highest power, without the other. So we will take here the u value is this one, so that the derivative will be there outside. So I will take this one as a u equal cosine pi theta. Therefore, du is equal minus sine theta pi into, when you differentiate the pi theta, it is a chain rule, pi d theta. Now I need only the here cosine pi theta and d theta. Therefore minus pi I have to bring down. So you will get pi minus pi here. It is sine pi d theta. So therefore the integral is converted in terms of u. Integral, this is u, square root of u, and this one is the sine theta, pi theta, d theta. I will write it du inside minus 1 over pi outside because it's a constant. So I can take it outside minus 1 over pi. So I will integrate this one as a power half. When you integrate this one, minus 1 over pi u to the power 3 over 2 over 3 over 2 plus c. When you multiply this one, what happened here? If you take reciprocal, you will get minus 2 over 3 by, and this is power 3 over 2 plus c. But what is your u value? The u value you have to substitute as cosine pi theta. Now the next problem, we will have a complicated problem. So this is, by seeing the question you will feel very complicated. So sine e to the power tan inverse of x over 1 plus x square. So what is your u? If I take this one as a u, if I take this one as a u, what is du? Which is equal to 2x dx. But 2x is not inside the integral. Therefore our u is wrong. So I have to choose the u in correct form. So therefore, I have to choose the u is equal tan inverse. What is a tan inverse? When I differentiate tan inverse, you will have 1 over 1 plus x square into dx. So the whole thing is there inside the integral. So therefore, this is inside the integral. When I choose 1 plus x square, you will get 2x, which is not inside the integral. That's why we are not going through this one. So I have to choose the correct u, then only you will find it that du inside the integral. Now the whole integral is converted into what? It is integral e to the power u, and this part is nothing but du. Now see, the whole integral is converted into very simple integral in terms of u. When you integrate, it is e power u plus c. After we have to substitute the value of u. So what is the u value? I have taken the u value is equal tan inverse x. Tan inverse x. So this is so far we have done with the simple all the different types of problem we have covered. Now there is a last problem which is a somewhat special problem. Why we call it this one as a special problem? So as usual we will take u equal what? Inside the root. I will take inside the root 5 minus x. What is du? Which is equal minus dx, which is there inside the integral. So I need only the dx. I don't want minus. Therefore, I will write it minus du equal dx. Now the whole integral is converted into what? Integral. This one is root u, and this one is du minus outside, and we will find it there is a x inside still. Now one more thing I have to make it clear here. So if it is the integrator, the du means everything must be in u, same variable. If it is theta, everything must be in theta. If it is t, everything must be in t. But here you will have a u and x. So I want to convert this u, this x in terms of u. How will you convert? So this is the rule. So I will write it this one. I will take this one. From this I can just calculate the x value. Bring the x here, the minus become plus. 5 will be same. Here plus u, if you move that side, it become minus u. Now you can convert the x in terms of u. So I will replace here as 5 minus u. Is it right? Integral minus will be same. This is u to the power half into du. Now the minus I will multiply inside the integral inside here. So I will multiply the minus inside because I don't want the minus. So you will find it u minus 5 only for this term, and the remainings are same. Now how will you integrate this one? We cannot do it directly. First you have to simplify, you have to multiply. So here we will have what? 1. If you multiply, you will get what? U to the power 3 over 2 when you multiply. And the next one, 5u to the power half. And this is du. Now you can do it the direct integration. What is the integration here? So the integration will be u to the power 5 over 2 over 5 over 2 minus 5 times of u to the power 3 over 2 over 3 over 2 plus c. And it can be rewritten as, if you just rewritten this one, 2 over 5 to the power, the u you have to replace, minus, if you multiply, you will get 10 over 3 u to the power 3 over 2 plus c. Now after I have to substitute the u value. What is the u value here? What is the u value? 5 minus x. Here 5 minus x. So this is the final answer. So in this video we have covered the maximum different all the concept and idea of the substitution method. So thank you. You can find it the PDF file, this PDF file in the description box. Thank you.